our grind.
Flow so sick, flow so sick, flow so sick, make you wanna throw your food up. Flow so sick, flow so sick, flow so sick, make you wanna throw your food up.
Make you wanna throw your food up. Do you niggas wanna act a fool with me, bruh? Let me explain something to you. I don't got it all upstairs, so if you keep talking shit, I'll put you in a wheelchair. Flow so sick, make you wanna grab your strap, and if you do that, then I'ma put some bullets through your back. Man, it's blue black, I'm through with that, so understand I gotta fit it. Cap, keep talking shit, I'ma put you where your arms at, your whole face be curved up somewhere, cause just the flow too sick. Sipping on this HG, you got suck my dick. This shit Sir Busy get him, and it's not no square bear. Keep talking all that shit and you gon' need some health care.
Flow so sick, flow so sick, flow so sick, make you wanna throw your food up. Flow so sick, flow so sick, flow so sick, make you wanna throw your food up.
I ain't gonna keep explaining to you niggas. You fucking with me, you gon' really need to bring some triggers. Bring a Caligo, bring a Uzi, bring an AR-15. Nigga, this ain't no movie. If I show you my straps and the police will know where they at, so I'ma keep it loaded off the camera. I understand a flanner, piano's what I was playing. These niggas transform like a Super Saiyan. Now I'm bringing the flow that's sicker than Raiden. But this ain't no video game, nigga. Your baby mama paying everybody's fee. You's a punk nigga to me. I'll dump for free. I'm sucker free. You understand? You niggas is some bitches playing around like you was Peter Pan.
Flow so sick, flow so sick,
Flow so sick, make you wanna throw your food up.
flow so sick, flow so sick, flow so sick, make you wanna throw your food up.
The last verse is the motherfucking crucial one. Don't get caught around my neighborhood without a gun. And if you niggas wanna get them up, that's fucking fine. But if you talk about the gunplay, bullets headed to your spine. This whole world is mine. Nigga, we got Obama. DJ Drama, I'm about to really cause the drama. You niggas can't spell a comma, you stupid like Cupid shooting arrows. I'll turn your best friend into a scarecrow. Nigga can't move and now he's probably like some air crow. But you better mess around with me if you want that pound G, but I ain't gonna explain. Just know I'm staying on my hustle. Get up in that kitchen, nigga, make that water bubble.
Flow so sick, flow so sick, flow so sick,
Make you wanna throw your food up.